Ministry ya kithomo tongeretwe ni Minister wayo Ezekiel Machogu ni uritwe gutariria BWEGA na njira imbuthu na ya weru mutatara jumweru jwa kurira kithomo ndene universities za janthiguru ne senators baugite antu babaingi bari achari na Aritwa batikuwera mutatara juju bura jo gwitithwa na mbere na kwou ni jubatere gutarirwa na njira imbuthu bari gakinyachi ari bakirasi kya nthiguru batiumbite kwamukira kigina giki amwe nabo kwithirwa bachiandikithitie kana bandikithitie maromba jao thoni kathenya na gutariria cio na njira endaja.
I would request that the ministry should take a lot of consideration in terms of awareness, because people don't understand these kind of things. Even the teachers, the students themselves, they don't even understand. Even ourselves, you have not taken at least awareness for us to get to understand about this formula, how it works. And that is why we have so many students or students still at home, not even joining schools. So I think CS, you need to put your staff on board so that at least Kenyans are aware of the formula that you are putting in place. And I am very sure that is why the principals, the vice chancellors are taking advantage of even asking fees to students, because they don't know.
This is a single mother who is a border rider, and still she did not get 100% government scholarship, and including maybe help. So what type of rating do you use when a border rider who is a lady cannot get full funding for the child? So even me, I haven't understood how that funding is.
Have you also put into consideration before all what you are telling us, how you will be able, if our universities will be able to accommodate all the students without sending some to private universities? Are we able to accommodate all of them in our government universities, all of them from the country, without sending them to private universities?
Our capacity in the public universities, taking into consideration all the programs, we can be able to take almost up to 300,000. The number for first years, the number that we are taking this particular year is about 144,000.
Honorable Chair, it's good information because you are the people on the ground. We have received information that we need to enhance our sensitization. We'll be able to do that, and we encourage that if you have got especially county activities where these students come, feel free to get in touch with the Universities Fund, Higher Education Laws Board, or KUPS, so that we can jointly come to the ground and sensitize the Kenyans to know, and then we'll be able to disseminate this information as we move forward.